Hey, welcome to Money Me. My name is Pat Dees, and one thing I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe and hit the like button and comment below. I'm going to do some of these different videos where we talk about money on this channel, and today's video is going to be like a buy, sell, or hold video, and we're going to highlight a stock that I'm familiar with. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with, but I want to talk about it and have open discussion, basically what you guys think about the stock and whether you guys would buy, sell, or hold if you're a shareholder of it. So the stock that we're going to talk about today is Planet Fitness. So let's share the screen. Let's give the fundamentals of the company and look into it. Okay, Planet Fitness on this date of 2/12/2021 was closed actually yesterday on 2/11 at $76.53, down 2%, $1.57. The chart now, according to Yahoo, they think that it's in a bullish trend still. The performance outlook is short term, mid-term, long term. It all points to arrows up. One thing is the 1-year target of the analysts is saying $76.14. What I'm trying to do is show you these videos. If you guys were interested in buying any stock, how I would show you guys how to look up information, to do your own homework in finding information, not just openly saying, well, I'm going to go buy this stock just because I know the name. This is the several different sites I'm going to show you on what information I look at on doing this. The reason I bring up Planet Fitness is because I am short the stock a little bit. Now, I was short the stock more. I've made money, lost money with it, but what I don't understand, what I thought about is with the shutdowns of a lot of the gyms because of COVID, and people are basically not going to the gym as much, that it makes it hard for the company itself to be profitable, having less people walk through the door, and people have been buying the PLNT. Let's put in it's PTON. Those are expensive. I mean, that stock has really Peloton. Yeah, they have been putting in a lot of, but they're expensive. Those machines, going back last February, the stock was 27 and had recently had hit a high of about 163. Those machines are about $3,000 from what I've seen a piece, and you have to have a monthly subscription. But there's a lot. A lot of the Planet Fitnesses, I mean, I've seen it already where it's $10 down, $10 a month, or $10 down, $20 a month. I guess the $20 gives you a little bit more. From what I understand, and my son was part of Planet Fitness. I was on Planet Fitness a little bit, but the one that is closest to me was about 40 minutes away. So I did, a couple months, but it, from what I understand, the $20 allows you to go to multiple access to different locations, where if it's only $10 a month, you have to go to the location that you sign up for. So let's obviously you guys know, but we'll highlight, just to kind of give an accurate description. They operate fitness centers across the United States, and they do sell fitness equipment to franchise-owned stores, and that's how they make money too. There's 2,000 stores. 1,900 of them are franchised and 98 are corporate owned. They were founded in 1992. I remember when they kind of came out publicly that the stock was only like $20 a share. The market cap pretty much is about I am surprised how good this stock has done but a lot of the stocks that have done good over even the last year are based on the reopening trade, that things will get better, and this is just a temporary glitch. I got about $5 a share in cash. Shares short is 6 million, about 5%. So it's at 76. let's pull up. Okay, now we're going to get into. We'll pull up a stock chart. Now I'm going to give you my opinion on it, but keep in mind I am not a licensed financial broker. I'm just a personal investor / trader, and this is me kind of showing you how I do. Okay, now I'm going to bring up stockcharts.com. And I just realized tonight, if you guys haven't tried out, check out Webull. I will put the link below. You guys can get free stock. And if you click my referral link down there, I guess I can get a free share of stock too. So you only need to put in like $150 to get 2 free shares. So Planet Fitness here, PL, I mean, I know the symbol by heart. It broke. Did it break below the 50-day move at 76.96? Yeah, 40 cents below the 50-day moving average. So that's looking like they are coming out with earnings next week. Okay, 50-day. I'm putting in some moving 8-day. Oh, why is it not allowing me to hit 8? Uh-oh. Okay, it's not allowing me to change that one parameter, so I don't know why. It's never done that before. Oh, there it goes. Update it. Oh, see, yeah, it's starting to really wonder if we're going to have a fall here. Or is it setting up for like a little of a, and then pop up? But I mean, I don't think earnings are going to be that good anyways, but earnings sometimes don't even matter lately. It's crazy to say that. Years ago, you would invest, but a lot of money flow has been going out of the stock lately. CMF is the money flow into the stock, and really, even for the past 3 weeks, money's been flowing out of that stock. So that's not too good. It's been in a tight range. Let's do a bigger view. It's kind of been really the past 3 months. It got crazy here one day. I mean, it shot up to 86.50. I had shorted some when it shot up that day, and made probably about $800 that day off of it. And look, it dropped right back down in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, probably about 3 weeks here, and then it popped up. And there's supposed to be, I heard just recently, and it had a little bit of a pop the other day, that maybe Congress was going to pass a $30 billion package to help the gyms because of the rents and stuff that they own. You could see here, even for the, it's really been in that, except for when it dropped down when we had the shutdown, it's really been in that $50 to $80 range. All right, let's pull up Trading View. Type in Planet Fitness. So far, I've showed you 3 websites that Trading View, earnings. Yeah, earnings are coming out on the 18th of February. So in 6 more days. Like I said, you never know. I mean, I honestly think it's a sell. I really do. I mean, based on the news, probably we could, but we might see it. We might see it drop even before earnings. But I really think we could see it go back. I mean, what are the gyms going to have full capacity? People buying all these Peloton machines. 68. Yeah. So the last 2 days it's been down. This was the day that it had popped up here at 81. It popped up at 81. Oh yeah. Because this is a weekly, daily. All right, let's look and see if there was any news. Yes, we're gonna leave the site. News. Yeah, it's got a market cap of 7 billion. Short interest 6. Now Barron's just did an article. That was last summer though. That's 6 months old. JP Morgan just downgraded it on the 21st from neutral to overweight. And then December 14th, that's what's confusing about the market. You know, one analyst will come out one week it's a buy, and next week it's a sell, and the price is going up. See, just type in. Yeah, 52-week range was 24 to 2377 to 8879. Market cap 6.6 billion. All right, let's pull up one more site, Earnings Whisper. We'll read the next report and what they. Yep, February 18th, they're coming out with their earnings. Their last report was November the 5th. Planet Fitness reported third quarter September 20 earnings of 2 cents on revenues of 105 million. I mean, because people who sign up that $10 a month, they don't get. I mean, they don't get all that because it goes to the franchisees and stuff. The consent was 11 on 107 million. It was 12. Revenue fell 37%. He said today over 95% of our locations are open, with our team members working hard to deliver a safe and healthy in-store environment for our members. Short-term price is they're thinking it could go down. Expect that quarterly earnings down. So I want to know what you guys think. I want to know, do you think yourself it's a buy, sell, or hold? Put it down in the comments below. I personally, this is what I'm going to say. Personally, I'm labeling it a sell, but short-term sell, meaning even at what did we close the day? I said Planet Fitness 76.53. Short-term sell probably could go to $70. You know, that's what I'm thinking. It could even. But that's not to say that they come out and say that, hey, they're seeing better trends. People are coming out more. If you're a long-term investor and you're not underwater on it, I guess I'm talking a little bit from a trading standpoint. So short-term, I would say sell. Long-term, I would say they'll probably be fine, and it's a hold. Would I go out and buy it? No, because I would wait and see what the earnings report would say. So I'm right now, I'm short-term sell, long-term hold. Even if it does go down, let's say 70, 65, 70-ish, That may be a time that if it settles down for 4 to 8 weeks and has a steady stock price, that may be time to pick it up for it to upswing back. But it's a tough business when you don't have people coming through the doors. That it may take, honestly, 9 more months until really it turns really back to normal. So, all right, that's my little brief buy, sell, or hold on Planet Fitness. I hope you liked the video. If you guys could do me a favor, will you money me and subscribe to the channel? And thanks again.